This experiment is on using your cell phone to make a damped harmonic pendulum. And so what you want to do is rubber band your cell phone onto the meter stick and then start the graphical analysis GW program. And it's got your phone has an accelerometer in it, three-way accelerometer. And I think if you set it this way, I think it's the y-axis that will work. So then what you want to do is make sure that you keep your fingers at the same spot as you let go of the pendulum, and make sure that it goes exactly in the y-plane, and that will cut down on the amount of x and z changes that you have. Run it for about 10 seconds and then you will be able to get the program. And then when you get it done, what I would suggest you do is to import it into Lab Pro or Excel or into Desmos, and then use the program to get the function. Now remember, this is an accelerometer, and so you need to take the integral of the acceleration to get the velocity, and take the integral of that velocity to get the distance. And when you do, you will see that the sine wave gradually gets smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller as you go along. And you will be able to use the damped harmonic function, which is the exponential times the sine curve that you would be getting.